Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone data entry work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be doing a lot of data entry and processing email orders. It is a full-time remote for the United States. The links to all the pages, if you want to read reviews on the company or get that application in, is always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from this, share with them, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company Cheryl's Cookies. Now, Cheryl's Cookies, if you'll notice, is a part of 1-800-Flowers.com, so they have a bigger parent company backing them. They do only have 45 reviews from past and current employees, but out of those reviews, they are rated at a 3.9 out of 5 stars on an overall employee satisfaction rating. They are looking for a data entry associate work from home. Now, one thing to quickly note about this job, it doesn't really require any experience. It requires you to have certain skills, but no actual experience. But the basis of the job is going to be data entry. You're going to process Excel, macro and non-macro orders proficiently. You'll process incoming paper orders from both the consumer or corporate sales division for these cookies. You'll process customer gift history, managing any incoming communications in a prompt, efficient, and timely manner, monitoring and maintaining business and product knowledge. Now, on top of all this data entry, you're going to process fax and email orders. So you're going to have to order these email orders into the system and get them processed. So you do have to be able to type at least 35 words per minute and have excellent organizational skills, great spelling and grammar skills, and they want somebody who can work some weekends and holiday hours. But that's it. It is basically data entry of these email orders and getting them processed. Now, on the top of the being able to type 35 words a minute, they want somebody who has knowledge of customer service principles, who has knowledge of administrative and clerical procedures such as word processing, managing files, transcription, entering data into a computer, things like that. You've got to have great active listening skills, great time management skills, great critical thinking skills, but it doesn't say that you actually have to have any experience whatsoever. Unfortunately, they did not list the pay in this job description. That'll be dependent on things like location, plus if you have any experience, things like that, and that'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Please remember, I don't work for any of these companies. I'm just simply sharing what I find online. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. Even if I'm not always responding, I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.